Hear that difference? That's not a $5,000 home theater. That's 2026. Right now, soundbar technology is advancing so fast that what you bought last year is already obsolete. Some are wireless wonders, others are Dolby Atmos monsters, but one hidden gem delivers sound so big, it defies its size. We've tested 25 models across every price bracket to find where your money actually matters. All purchase links are below. Let's find the perfect sound for your room. Number 1. Onkyo Bluetooth Soundbar. Partnership brings together their unparalleled expertise with our iconic Klipsch acoustics, ensuring that your home entertainment system delivers not just top-notch audio quality but also unmatched reliability for a truly exceptional experience. Solid foundations, 3.1.2 channel soundbar. This soundbar is powered by exceptional acoustics combined with proprietary Klipsch transport technology. It serves as a crucial foundation for creating your ultimate home entertainment ecosystem. The 3.1.2 channel configuration enhances your audio experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in rich, detailed sound as you watch movies, play games, or listen to music. Number 2. Home Theater Soundbar Subwoofer. Experience rich, room-filling sound like never before with this state-of-the-art soundbar designed specifically for smart TVs. It boasts two premium 2-inch full-range speakers that deliver a robust 15 watts each, culminating in a total power output of 30 watts for an immersive audio experience. This meticulously engineered soundbar enhances vocal clarity and intricate details, ensuring that every dialogue and musical note is crystal clear. Despite its compact dimensions, it does not compromise on audio power, making it a perfect fit for any living space. Whether you're indulging in your favorite movies or listening to music, this TV soundbar serves as an exceptional PC speaker that transforms your overall entertainment experience into something truly special. The high-quality audio produced by this device elevates your media consumption to cinematic levels, providing an audio landscape that makes you feel like you're part of the action. Number 3. Polk Audio Senior S2 Soundbar. Experience superior audio with the innovative soundbar that features 5 powerful full-range drivers designed to deliver an immersive audio experience. With the capability to produce rich audio tones and deep, resonant bass, this soundbar enhances your listening pleasure. Polk's exclusive voice adjust technology paired with Dolby digital decoding ensures that every dialogue is crystal clear while minimizing voice delays, making your viewing experience more enjoyable and impactful. This soundbar offers excellent sound quality and value that rivals even the most sophisticated mid- to high-range soundbars equipped with a subwoofer. Its sleek design, measuring just over 2 inches in height, allows it to easily fit into various spaces in your home. Whether you choose to mount it on the wall or position it in front of your television, you won't have to worry about obstructing the bottom of your TV screen or interfering with your TV's IR remote sensor. Number 4. Ultimia 7.1ch Soundbar. This 7.1 channel soundbar is designed to enhance your audio experience significantly, featuring a sophisticated setup that includes 3 main channels specifically aimed at delivering crystal clear dialogue. Additionally, it incorporates 4 surround sound speakers that work cohesively to envelop you in a rich auditory atmosphere. To optimize your home theater setup, you can power the rear right surround speaker and pair it wirelessly with the main soundbar, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords and maintaining a clean, organized space. This thoughtful design ensures you'll experience an immersive surround sound field, making it feel as if you are truly situated at the heart of the action, whether you're watching a movie or enjoying your favorite music. The soundbar is recommended for spaces ranging from 108 to 270 square feet, making it versatile for various room sizes. Number 5. Ultimia 5.1.2ch Soundbar. A 5.1.2 channel audio system featuring up-firing speakers, surround sound, and a powerful subwoofer is designed to create an immersive audio experience that mimics real-life sounds. This sophisticated setup produces lifelike, multidimensional audio that transports listeners into the heart of their favorite films, music, or games. Imagine being enveloped in the sounds of raindrops gently falling from above, helicopters buzzing overhead, or the deep resonance of thunder rolling in from all directions. This audio experience is not merely something you hear, it engulfs you, creating a sensation as if the ceiling has vanished, allowing sound to surround and embrace you completely. This level of immersive audio is made possible through the advanced technology of Dolby Atmos, where sound is not just heard but truly felt. The upfiring drivers incorporated in this system utilize neodymium internal magnets alongside 18-core large voice coils. This engineering choice enhances height precision and vertical sound projection, bringing an extra dimension to the listening experience. So, which 2026 soundbar will transform your living room? The choice is clear. But the perfect sound is more than just a bar. Next week, we're revealing the single, affordable accessory that triples the immersion of any system here, a trick the brands don't want you to know. If this guide helped you hear the difference, please like this video, it helps us cut through the noise for more viewers. Share it with someone still using tinny TV speakers. And subscribe, because we're just getting started on building your perfect 2026 entertainment setup. Talk soon.